Request left at the river.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, left river approval, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for take runway 26 left to Whiskey Charlie. Okay, clear for takeoff.
Number 80 Kilo, contact SoCal, departure, see ya.
Brake release.
Number 80 Kilo, contact SoCal, departure, see ya.
Runway clear.
SoCal, good day. 80 Kilo.
Bridge, land on on. Left on, align.
Echoes 578, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Okay, align. Okay, throttle full.
Easy with the throttle, just nice and smooth.
Okay.
Steer with your feet, no brakes.
Okay, no brakes.
Yeah, steer with your feet, so
okay.
just nice and easy.
Nice and easy, 50. 5, rotate. And hold. A bit more.
There we go. Good.
Push. Okay, right rotor.
Okay, make sure you can still see the runway.
Okay.
And just fly over the
76.
runway.
Okay.
Number 3.
Pitch to VY.
Nope. Braking for stand by. 60 Papa, runway 26 right, line up way, traffic departing runway 30.
26 right, line up runway 60 Papa.
Sling 737, Papa Tango 1 mile south of Queens Gate, inbound runway 26 right, half Quebec at 2,100.
For 3 at Foxtrot, runway 30, clear to land, hold short, runway 26 right for traffic.
30, clear to land, hold short, runway 26 right for traffic, 3 at Foxtrot.
Number 60 Papa, traffic landing, runway 30, we'll hold short of the intersection for you, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, make right traffic.
26 right, clear for takeoff, right traffic, 60 Papa.
Pack code 578, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, pack code 578,
Southwest 2507, just waiting release from SoCal. Southwest 2507 and take taxi to 119.4, please.
Tower Southwest 2876, 6.5 out for 30.
Southwest 2876, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, cleared to land.
30 clear to land, Southwest 2876.
Number 35 Victor, verify you wanted to remain in the pattern.
Remain the pattern to 235 Victor.
Number 35 Victor, roger, traffic landing runway 30, we'll hold short of the intersection for you, make right traffic runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
6 right, clear for takeoff, Cessna 235 Victor.
Number 737 Pop Tango, Long Beach Tower, cross midfield out above 2,000 right, traffic runway 26 right.
Left out above 2,000, 26 right,
900.
Number 38 Foxtrot, expect no delay off the runway.
Delay on the runway, 38 Foxtrot.
Landing light low.
Whiskey Charlie, left rivers approved, frequency change approved, see ya.
For cruise pitch.
Frequency change approved, C, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
I missed it.
5 Julian, what was your departure request?
I'd like to request regular traffic, 5 Juliet.
5 Juliet, roger.
Okay, you can change frequencies.
Okay, 121.905.
Yeah. Yeah, I want you to just keep climbing.
Okay.
Be on the heading of 170.
170. A bit right.
Alright, hood's coming on. Climb up to 2,500.
2,500. One 170. Level 480.
Long Beach Presbyterian, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, coming up on the Queen Mary, heading southbound, climbing to 2,500 Long Beach Presbyterian.
3000. $2,400.
Up, Skyler.
What Justin?
2,500. Level. Okay, 2,400.
Turn to your left to 090.
Left 090. Rolling.
We got you inside 594. We're turning eastbound. Actually, keep going to 060.
060. Yep. Zero 60. Hold up.
Good. Alright, I want you to do a climbing right turn to 3,000 feet.
Climbing right up.
And turn to heading a 240.
3,240. Okay, pitch up. And powerful. Right rudder. And 240. Soldier. Level.
Yeah, that last one was a little steep and you overshot. You see that? Yeah, we're gonna have to go back.
Okay.
So just little banks. Okay, if you're close by, if it's near, just little banks.
Okay.
Alright, let's go climbing left turn to 060.
Climbing left turn 060. Okay, pitch up. Full power. Left turn. My target altitude will be
3,500.
3,500.
So don't get too steep of a bank. Okay.
Result on 500.
Alright, give me a descending right turn to 240.
Descending right turn to 240.
Descend to 3000.
Traffic call. RPM 1800. And right turn. Going.
Long Beach traffic area, Cessna 25914, about 2.5 miles south.
PM 2400.
Angels Gate. We'll be doing speed spiral.
240. Alright.
Good. Very nice. Alright, that's all. Good job.
Thank you.
Let's turn around, aim towards, toward the left. Do a left turn to Saddleback Mountain.
Okay. Left turn.
Get a little steeper. You can go 30 degrees of bank.
Okay. 30 degrees.
A little more bank.
Far away.
Alright, I want you to aim at Saddleback Mountain.
Okay.
And I want you to do slow fly for me.
Okay, roll.
Oh, you forgot your carpet.
Ah, okay. Great.
Alright, show me some slow fly.
Fly, carbon on, RPM 100. Go. Steps 10. Steps 20. Steps full. And RPM 2000. By rudder. Good.
Good. Alright, give me a turn to the left.
Turn to the left, left clear, left turn. No loop bank.
That's good, roll out.
Roll up.
Give me a turn back to Saddleback.
Turn back to Saddleback, right turn, right clear.
Okay, watch your nose.
Okay.
And also, you need a little bit more right rudder.
Right rudder. Hold up.
Good.
Okay.
Alright, give me a power off stall.
Power off stalls. Okay. Right cut off. Yep. Let's go. Coming off. Full power. Okay.
Good. of rate of climb, so bring the nose up
bring
just a
the
little
nose
bit.
up a little bit.
There you go.
Okay.
1 notch flaps up.
Nose up, flips up.
Keep that nose up.
The nose up. Let's go stop. And flips up.
Good. Alright. Do another power off stall, and this time, don't do slow flight, okay?
Like power off stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it according to the STM. So let's climb.
Okay.
Just pitch up. Let's get up to above 3,000 to start, okay?
Up. Full power. Approaching 3,000. Dropping level. RPM. Oh, 2,400.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay, power off stall. Carb on. RPM 1,500.
Now, kind of pretend like you're coming into land. So 1
Okay.
notch of flaps now.
Nose up, flips up.
2nd notch of flaps.
Flips.
And don't go below 65 yet, okay?
Oh, okay.
So push the nose
Okay,
down.
push the nose down. Maintain 5.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Alright, coming in. There's the runway. Power idle.
Okay, power idle and pitch up.
Pitch up.
Level.
There it
Coming
is.
off. The pull. Right rudder. Up. And another short flips up. Positive rate, face side.
Nose up.
Flips up, nose up. 70.
And flaps up.
Flips up.
Alright, let's
Okay.
turn to the left.
Turn to the left. To clear.
There's a helicopter down there somewhere. He's at 300 feet. I'm not worried about him. He's going fast though.
RPM 2,400. Cruise RPM.
Okay, go on this heading.
This
Okay.
heading. Go up.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Actually, turn to the left just a little bit
Left a
more.
little bit more. Left rudder.
Okay, that's good.
Roll up.
Do a power on stall.
Power on stall. Carb on. RPM 1,200. Yep. Oh, research.
With
Rugby
nose
Secretary
up.
November
Nose up.
25914 is at 3,200, steep spiraling over Angel's Gate.
Goes up. 60. Oh, full power. And pitch up. Right rudder. Oh,
They're turning to the right, so
yeah.
go left.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, pitch up. Okay, pull.
Good.
Pull.
Bring the
And
nose up.
nose up.
more. Good.
Nose up. Nose up.
Perfect.
Okay. And RPM 2,400.
Okay, turn towards Catalina Island.
Turn color in, left turn.
That was a good power on stall.
Okay.
Let's go towards Catalina Island.
Oh.
Hey, notice this. See how foggy it looks over this way?
Yep.
But if you look back that way, it's pretty clear.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
look
see.
at that. Thing is
Traffic
just
inside.
climbing. Came out of nowhere. Okay, good. Let's do
Okay,
some
go
steep
on.
turns.
Turn to left.
Yes.
Okay. Look clear. Right on. Okay, roll in. Brake pressure. Add more power. More power.
6-4 uniform.
More power. Okay, roll out.
Alright, not bad.
Okay,
Alright, let's do it to the right.
to the right. We're clear. Roll in. Brake pressure. More power. More steeper. Okay, roll out. Oh, overshoot. RPM 2400.
Let's try that again to real hard. Okay?
Okay.
And you're going to hear the stall warning hard.
Oh,
You see that?
yep.
So, if that happens, you got to lower the nose first.
Lower the nose first.
Yes. Now, another stall. Let's say you have an engine out. Okay?
And up.
You're trimmed for 65.
65.
Okay?
Okay.
You get some power back in, right?
Yep. Right.
What happens? Add the power,
And nose up.
and the nose comes up.
Yep.
Okay? So that's a trim stall.
A trim stall.
Yeah, see? Trim
Okay.
stall. So you just lower the nose.
Lower the nose.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get that nose down.
Okay.
I didn't want to take it to a full stall. The other one is a cross control stall,
Cross control stall.
and it happens when you're going slow base to final. Okay?
Base to final.
Yeah. So you put in left rudder and left aileron because you overshoot final.
Oh.
Okay? And if you do that, you stall.
Okay.
Okay? And you actually could spin.
What up? See you back. We're heading back right now, peace.
Nice. I'll see you later. Alright, the other stall, so there's trim stall. The other one, I have to do a stall. Okay?
Okay.
So this one is called the secondary stall.
Secondary stall.
So you come, you do your normal stall, right? There's 65. So you do a stall, right?
Right.
You stall it.
Oh.
Stall. You lower the nose, and then you pull back too early. Okay?
This is secondary stall.
That's secondary stall.
Okay.
Okay?
Vertical.
You just gotta remember to lower your nose.
Okay.
That one happens when you are coming into land. Like, for example, you have a power outage. Not power outage. The engine quits.
Engine kits.
And you're low level and you go to pull up because you don't want to touch the ground. But you stall. And then you keep pulling back and you stall again.
Yeah, right.
Okay?
Okay.
The main thing, if you have an engine out on takeoff, see your nose is high, airspeed's bleeding, so you gotta push the nose down,
Down.
okay? And then you gotta land.
Okay.
Okay, get the airspeed first.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna climb back up to 3,000 for you. You wanna do it?
Yep.
Okay, you have flight controls.
Yeah, right. Time to 3,000.
Yep. Turn to the left a little bit, you got traffic ahead.
Okay.
He's 2.5 miles.
Traffic inside.
Traffic in sight?
Yep, there.
No, he's closer.
Oh.
This other traffic's closer.
Left turn.
Long Beach practice area, Skyhawk 2 Victor, 1,800 climbing 3,000, southbound heading just over the Queen Mary. We'll be maneuvering in the area, Long Beach practice area.
See that traffic right there? Is that the one that you were pointing at before?
Yeah, right, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You were right.
Okay.
He was hiding behind the truck. Okay, your engine just caught fire.
Engine fire. Then idle cutoff. Very cool. And maintain 65. Maintain 100 knots. And
There's that airplane down there,
inside,
helicopter.
okay. Avoid that traffic.
You're fine, he's low. Go ahead.
Okay.
He's 200 feet.
Okay. Roll. And I will land at roll line. Okay, descend more and
Okay, you should be at 100 knots.
100 knots.
North sun,
Yeah, right.
right?
Right.
So you can go to the left a little bit.
Left a little bit. Well,
Go towards the breakwater
first breakwater.
over here.
Okay.
Right in the sun, actually. Sorry.
Not even in sight.
Let's get the ATIS information.
Okay, 12775.
And since it's beyond 7 o'clock, we're not allowed to do any like touch and goes. We can do a go around if needed.
East, at or below 200 feet AGL, bring 0.5 nautical miles west, at or below 200 feet AGL. Bird advisory is in effect. Advise on initial contact, you have information. Quebec.
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 Long Beach Airport information, Quebec, 0153 Zulu, wind 3008, visibility 10, skies clear, temperature 26, dew point 18, altimeter 2988, ILS runway 30 approach in use, landing and departing runway 30, runway 26 right and runway 26 left. Tower frequency for all aircraft 119.4, advise which runway you request. All departing aircraft contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 with position at departure point. Ground control frequency 133.0. Line and hold short operations in effect. Notice to airmen, bringing 0.2 nautical miles east, at or below 200 feet AGL, bringing 0.5 nautical miles west, at or below 200 feet AGL. Bird advisory is in effect. Advise on initial contact, you have information. Quebec.
Okay,
Quebec.
contact tower.
Yeah.
East end of breakwater.
Just south of the break wall.
South of the breakwater.
South of break wall at 1,700.
Okay. South.
Or you can say Queens Gate.
Okay. Come on. Long Beach Tower, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie over Kings Gate at 1,700 inbound landing for runway 26 left with information Quebec.
Tower 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic line 26 left.
Make left traffic runway 26 left to Whiskey Charlie. Queen Mary inside the right turn.
Okay, let's say you lost your comms.
Lost my comp.
Yeah.
And talk for 7600 and find for light call signal.
Foxtrot 3.
Yeah, you do left. Yeah, look for light gun. I go to Queen Mary Signal Hill. Just like your normal pattern, look for a light gun.
Okay.
On final, we'll ask for a light gun. You'll see it from the tower, okay?
Okay.
Actually, on downwind, we'll ask for it.
Right on to Signal Hill.
You can see the marine layer coming in.
No,
Comes in quick. It's really hazy.
yes. Hold up. Descend to 1500.
You're already at 1,500.
Okay.
You've been slowly descending, but you could slow down to 90 knots.
90 knots. RPM. 23.
About 22 and
22.
free.
Okay.
Actually, go to 20.
20.
You're going to descend, but you're going to bring that nose up now.
Nose up now.
And trim up.
Trim up. Aim for 85.
About 90, 85, 90.
85, 90.
A little bit more nose up.
Nose up.
That's good.
A little bit more. Nose up.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 65619er, inbound on the RNAV 30, full stop.
Number 65619, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land, hold short, runway 26 right for traffic.
30, clear land, hold short, 26 right, 619er.
Number 914, runway 26 right, clear to land, descent approved, traffic landing runway 30, will hold short of the intersection for you.
Reduce power more.
4 and 1100.
2 with Charlie, runway 26 left, clear to land, traffic 4 mile final, runway 30, will follow you through the intersection.
Go ahead. Okay, looking for traffic, clear to land, running 26 left, 2 is Charlie.
Number 659er, traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound of Cessna there in the downwind for runway 26 left. They will proceed you through the intersection.
Okay, power off.
619er, level gate.
And
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie. Can we see the light gun?
Number 2 is Charlie, yep, stand by.
icon.
The light gun. So, maybe look at the tower and let's see the light gun.
Here it comes.
Ah, I see. Okay. Steady
You
green.
see it?
Steady green. No, I see. Oh, pitch up. Oh, for power.
Awesome. Thank you. 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Okay.
No problem.
You see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
It was bright.
Steady green.
Alright.
Follow the
Car feed on.
Elevator on.
Reduce power.
Reduce power.
1 notch of flaps.
1 notch of flaps.
Reduce power more. It should be at 15.
15.
Yeah, we want to get down.
Okay. Light on.
Good.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead, start turning base. We're a little slow, so push the nose down just a little bit. Reduce your power more. We're still a little high.
Okay. 10 flips 20.
Yeah, reduce power more.
Reduce power more.
Like almost at idle.
Alright.
Traffic inside 619.
Thank you. Barney 491 Long Beach Tower, did you call ready?
On the inside.
Good. Another notch of flaps.
Notch of flaps. Spool.
We were still kind of high.
Okay.
But we gotta beat this other guy. What are they doing? They're doing 85.
85.
So we want to be about 70.
17.
We're coming down. We're coming down pretty good.
Long Beach Tower, Varney 402 on the ILS approach for runway 30.
Reduce power a little bit more.
Information Quebec, full stop.
This is looking good. Yeah, just stay right here. Don't change your power. Power's looking good. We might actually drop a little bit right here.
9402.
They might have to add just a little bit of power. Yeah, add a little bit.
30, continue, running 402.
Okay, going to center line.
Center line. Okay. Add more power.
Now we're focused on like the first stripe. Do you see this first stripe? Just come down to the first stripe.
Yep.
So reduce power.
Tower 65 Papa Bravo.
Power idle.
Alright, start looking at the end of the...
Okay. Hold up.
Bring the nose up. Nose up. Nose up. Look at the end of the runway. Keep flying. Keep flying. So keep flying. Keep flying. Keep flying. That's what we want.
Okay.
2491 Long Beach Tower, Roger, standby, number 2 in sequence.
You need to get that nose out more.
Okay.
2491, thank you.
Brakes. Foxtrot 3.
UPS 909, heavy Long Beach Tower, traffic outfield, traffic on a 4-mile final is the Cirrus runway 30, line up and wait.
UPS 909 just switched over, is that for us?
UPS 909 Long Beach Tower, I'm sorry, did you say you were ready?
UPS 909 is ready to go.
UPS 909, roger, runway 30, line up, wait, traffic 4-mile final is the Cirrus.
Ground.
Wait, runway 30, UPS 909.
Stop here.
Yep.
After landing checklist. M1000. Lips up. Private. Full. Landing lights off. Early. RPM 1000.
Contact ground.
Contact ground 13. Long Beach ground, Cessna 27 to Whiskey Charlie, clear over runway 26 left at Foxtrot 3, request taxi to Long Beach Flying Club.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach, current taxi to Flying Club via Foxtrot.
Taxi to Long Beach Flying Club via Foxtrot to Whiskey Charlie. Okay, release. Long Beach ground, Cessna 25914 off 26.
So your approach was actually pretty good.